to page 8, which you guys are already there. Awesome. So we're going to read. Tessa, could I have you read starting right there?
In each rectangle, we note that the number of squares equals the length times the width. This is true for any rectangle.
Excellent. And so there's a box, and I want you guys to take note on that. So for question number 1, what equals the area? So it's blank times blank. Good. And what did you come up for the first one? Hannah?
I think it's
If you look at your book, it has a formula.
length times width.
Length times width. Good. So write that in your notes. And then we're going to count our boxes. So we have an example right here. So count the boxes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. And remember, you guys remember how to multiply. So if you have 6 boxes, right? How many do you have in your width? So is your width,
2.
this is your width, the area going down, right? And so how many boxes do you have for your width?
2.
2. How many boxes do you have for your length?
3.
3. And what is 3 times 2?
6.
Equals 6. So how many boxes do you have?
6.
Good, and that's the area. Now we're going to turn over to our next section, which is on circles. So find where the heading circles is on page 10. Now, where it says every, start with every, and read that section, Hannah, for us, please.
Every point on a circle is the same distance from the center of the circle. This distance is called the radius of the circle. The diameter of a circle is twice the length of the radius of the circle.
Good. So to help you guys really understand what this section is talking about, I have some notes for you. So radius is always same distance from the center at any point. And then number 2, diameter is blank, the length of the radius of the circle. So go back into your paragraph that you just read, and how much is
Twice.
the diameter? Twice. Good. Tessa, do you agree with that? Excellent. So write that in your notes. And then for number 3, let's read that together. Takes blank diameters to go around the circle. Go back into your section. Oh, sorry, this is a section that we haven't read yet. So, Tessa, if you could read this section for us, starting with it.
It takes more than 3 diameters to go around a circle. It takes fewer than 4 diameters to go around a circle. It takes approximately 3.14 diameters to go around a circle.
Wow. So how many, approximately, it takes how many diameters to go around a circle?
3.
3. Good. And less than 4. So what is the approximation number? What did they write there? 3.14. Good. 3.14. So you can write that down there. And the next question, Hannah, can you read that for us there?
Number 4.
Yeah.
Pi is blank number.
So this is what they call how many diameters it takes to go around the circumference. The number is, or it's called pi, which equals what number?
3.14.
3.14. And last one there.
Circumference is the blank of the circle.
And what would that one be? Circumference is the, might be up here actually.
The perimeter.
Excellent job. Sorry, we haven't read this one. So read that first sentence there for us, Hannah.
We call the perimeter of a circle the circumference of the circle.
So what could we say for number 5, right?
Circumference is the perimeter of the circle.
Good. Excellent job, you guys. So you did really good on your notes. And now I'm going to kind of quiz you on them. So our first question, we want to define the terms circumference, diameter, pi, and radius. So our first question would be pi is equals what number?
3.14.
1,4. Excellent. Blank is twice the length of the radius. What is twice the length of the radius? You can look back in your notes if you need to.
Diameter.
Excellent. And why do you say that?
Because
You can read it where it says.
it's the diameter of the circle is twice the length. Of the
Good.
radius.
Good job. So diameter. So when we look at a circle, what is bigger? So that's the middle point of the circle. And what would that be? If it's half the circle, what would this line be called? Tessa? Radius. Good. Now if we make this line extend all the way across the whole circle, what would that line be called? The whole one.
Circumference.
Diameter. Good. Good. And so that's actually our next question is, what is the perimeter around the circle called? Circumference. Good job, Hannah. Excellent work. That's great. Now we have a problem for you. So here is our problem. We have a cylinder. Do you guys remember what a cylinder is? Looks like that guy, right? So a cylinder has a top lid like that, and its radius is 5, and its length is 16 feet, and its radius is 5 feet. Now our question asks, if the radius is 5 feet, the diameter must be how many feet? If the radius is 5, and we know diameter is twice the length of the radius, what would that be, Tessa? 10! Excellent job. How did you get that answer? 5 times 2. Good work, Tessa. And so